Imagine sitting at your desk, powering up a machine no larger than a hardcover book, and realizing it holds enough raw computational power to run an entire Hollywood visual effects studio, train massive local AI models without touching the cloud, and render complex 8K timeline sequences without emitting a single whisper of fan noise. For years, the tech world believed that miniaturization meant compromise. We accepted that true power required massive desktop towers, elaborate liquid cooling loops, and power bricks the size of paving stones. But deep inside the heavily guarded subterranean labs of Apple Park, a quiet revolution has reached its absolute fever pitch. Engineers are pushing the boundaries of silicon physics, defying thermal limitations, and preparing to release a device that will render almost every mid-range desktop computer completely obsolete. This is not just a routine yearly speed bump or a minor spec refresh designed to satisfy investors. This is the single largest leap forward in compact desktop computing history, a device engineered to rewrite the rulebook of value, efficiency, and sheer performance density. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Today we are diving deep into the definitive, comprehensive collection of leaks, insider reports, supply chain schematics, and architectural breakthroughs surrounding the highly anticipated Mac Mini M5. If you thought the transition to Apple Silicon was impressive, what is coming next will leave you fundamentally re-evaluating what a compact computer can do. To truly understand why the Mac Mini M5 is generating an unprecedented level of panic among competing hardware manufacturers, we have to look closely at the architectural heartbeat of this machine, the upcoming M5 system on a chip. Manufactured using Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company's revolutionary next-generation 2-nanometer process node, the M5 chip represents a fundamental departure from traditional processor design. For years, chip manufacturers relied on shrinking transistors to squeeze out incremental performance gains. But as physical atomic limits approached, that strategy hit a thermal wall. Apple's engineering team took a radically different approach with the M5, integrating advanced three-dimensional chiplet stacking technology, known internally as TSMC's System on Integrated Chips platform. By stacking memory modules and cache layers directly on top of the compute cores rather than spreading them out horizontally across a printed circuit board, latency between the central processing unit, graphics processor, and unified memory architecture drops to near zero levels. When you launch a heavy application on the Mac Mini M5, data no longer travels across inches of copper trace lines. It moves vertically across microscopic silicon vias in fractions of a nanosecond. The result is an instantaneous response time that makes the operating system feel less like software running on hardware and more like an immediate extension of your own thought process. For creative professionals, digital artists, software developers, and video editors across America, performance is not just a luxury. It is the currency of time. The Mac Mini M5 is engineered from the ground up to eliminate the dreaded render bar and banish loading screens to history. According to early benchmarks leaked from testing environments, the base model M5 chip delivers a staggering 35% increase in single-core performance compared to its predecessor, with multi-core throughput jumping by nearly 45% under sustained workloads. But raw speed numbers only tell half the story. The true marvel of the Mac Mini M5 lies in its specialized media engines and dedicated hardware accelerators. Reports indicate that Apple is introducing a dedicated hardware decoding and encoding pipeline for next-generation video codecs, allowing creators to scrub through multiple streams of uncompressed 8K ProRes footage in real time without dropping a single frame. Imagine editing an ultra-high-definition feature film or multi-camera broadcast on a device that comfortably fits inside a backpack, consumes less electricity than a standard LED desk lamp, and remains totally silent even during heavy export jobs. While video editing and graphic rendering remain staple workflows for the Mac Mini line, the integration of cutting-edge artificial intelligence capabilities elevates the Mac Mini M5 into an entirely new category of hardware. We live in an era where artificial intelligence is transforming every industry, from code generation and automated video editing to complex language modeling and predictive analytics. However, running sophisticated AI models traditionally required expensive enterprise-grade server infrastructure or energy-hungry graphics cards that generate massive amounts of heat. The Mac Mini M5 changes this equation entirely through its revamped neural engine. Featuring a massive jump in core count alongside dedicated matrix math accelerators built directly into the GPU clusters, the Mac Mini M5 is designed to handle complex machine learning tasks locally, right on your desk, without sending a single byte of your sensitive data to remote cloud servers. This means privacy-conscious developers, researchers, and creators can run massive local large language models, execute complex image synthesis algorithms, and analyze vast datasets completely offline with blindingly fast response times. Let's turn our attention to the physical redesign and industrial engineering of the Mac Mini M5, because performance means nothing if the chassis cannot handle the thermal load or adapt to modern workspace aesthetics. Supply chain leaks suggest that Apple is leaning into an ultra-clean, highly refined industrial design language that maximizes thermal efficiency while shrinking the footprint even further. Utilizing a custom aluminum alloy enclosure crafted entirely from recycled aerospace-grade materials, the new Mac Mini M5 features a re-engineered internal airflow chamber. Air is pulled through microscopic perforated intakes along the base, swept directly over a vapor chamber cooling plate attached to the M5 die, and quietly exhausted through a newly sculpted rear ventilation system. This advanced thermal architecture ensures that even when you push the M5 chip to its absolute physical limits during extended rendering sessions or complex simulations, the processor maintains maximum turbo clock speeds without thermal throttling. The machine stays whisper quiet, preserving the tranquil environment of your workspace, whether you are working late into the night in a home office or in a fast-paced corporate studio. Connectivity has always been a decisive factor for desktop users, and the Mac Mini M5 sets a new standard for modern expansion options. As professional workflows become increasingly demanding, the need for rapid data, transfer rates, and multi-monitor support has never been greater. Leaks indicate that the Mac Mini M5 will come standard with next-generation Thunderbolt 5 ports across the board. Thunderbolt 5 unlocks bidirectional bandwidth of up to 80 gigabits per second, with dynamic boost capabilities pushing display bandwidth up to a staggering 120 gigabits per second. What does this mean for your real-world setup? It means a single compact Mac Mini M5 can effortlessly drive up to 3 high-refresh rate 6K or 8K displays simultaneously while concurrently reading and writing data to external NVMe storage arrays at speeds that rival internal memory buses. Gone are the days of choosing between monitor real estate and high-speed storage accessories. The Mac Mini M5 acts as the ultimate centralized command center for your entire technical ecosystem. In addition to lightning-fast Thunderbolt ports, the wireless infrastructure inside the Mac Mini M5 has received a massive generational upgrade. Featuring full support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, the Mac Mini M5 ensures rock-solid, low-latency connectivity regardless of how congested your network environment might be. Wi-Fi 7 brings multi-link operation and wider channel bandwidths, enabling wireless transfer speeds that finally match wired gigabit connections. Whether you are streaming high bitrate video, transferring gigabytes of raw photography assets over a local network storage array, or participating in cloud-based collaborative editing suites, the Mac Mini M5 maintains a rock-solid link without dropping frames or buffering. Bluetooth 5.4 complements this by providing ultra-low power consumption for peripheral devices like keyboards, mice, and studio headphones, ensuring instant pairing, extended range, and zero input latency during critical work sessions. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Mac Mini M5 leaks is how Apple is positioning this shine against traditional desktop towers and mini PCs in the broader consumer market. For years, Windows-based mini PCs attempted to capture the compact desktop space, but they frequently suffered from loud, cooling fans, high power consumption, driver instability, and compromised integrated graphics. The Mac Mini M5 obliterates those compromises by delivering class-leading performance per watt that traditional x86 architecture simply cannot match. When you evaluate the total cost of ownership, energy efficiency, long-term software support, and sheer resale value, the Mac Mini M5 stands completely alone in its category. It appeals equally to the budget-conscious college student needing a reliable workstation for computer science courses, the seasoned software engineer compiling massive code bases, and a multimedia creative running complex digital audio workstations with hundreds of virtual instrument tracks. To appreciate the immense engineering triumph of the Mac Mini M5, we must examine the unified memory architecture that powers this compact monster. Traditional computers separate system RAM from graphics memory, forcing the CPU and GPU to constantly duplicate data across slow system buses, creating massive bottlenecks during intensive creative tasks. The Mac Mini M5 eliminates this structural inefficiency by utilizing an updated unified memory system with bandwidth speeds exceeding 500 gigabits per second. By sharing a massive pool of ultra-fast memory directly between the CPU cores, GPU clusters, and neural engine, the Mac Mini M5 allows high-end tasks like 3D asset manipulation, video compositing, and AI data processing to access vast amounts of memory instantly. Configuration leaks suggest that base models will finally start with higher unified memory baselines, giving everyday users plenty of headroom for heavy multitasking without constantly swapping data to the internal solid-state drive. For the gaming community and modern interactive media developers, the Mac Mini M5 holds unprecedented promise. Historically, Mac hardware was rarely viewed as a primary gaming platform, but Apple's recent, aggressive push into hardware-accelerated ray tracing, mesh shading, and the game porting toolkit has completely transformed the landscape. The GPU architecture inside the M5 chip introduces second-generation hardware-accelerated ray tracing engines capable of computing real-time lighting, reflections, dynamic shadows, and global illumination with unbelievable realism and fluid frame rates. Combined with advanced Metal FX upscaling technology, which uses intelligent machine learning to reconstruct lower-resolution frames into crisp, high-definition outputs, the Mac Mini M5 can run modern, graphically intensive AAA titles smoothly at high resolutions. Developers can now target the Mac platform with confidence, knowing that a compact desktop like the Mac Mini M5 possesses the raw graphical muscle required to deliver rich, immersive interactive environments. Let us take a deeper dive into the software synergy that makes the Mac Mini M5 an unmatched productivity powerhouse. Hardware is only half of the equation. It is the seamless integration between Mac OS and Apple Silicon that unlocks true operational magic. The operating system inside the Mac Mini M5 is optimized to allocate background tasks to energy-efficient cores while reserving high-performance cores for active foreground applications. When you bounce between rendering a complex 4K timeline, compiling a software build, streaming high-definition audio, and browsing through dozens of browser tabs, macOS manages system resources with surgical precision. Applications launch instantaneously, system updates execute silently in the background, and the user interface responds with buttery smooth, fluid animations that make interacting with the Mac Mini M5 a pure joy every single day. Beyond individual creative tasks, the Mac Mini M5 fits perfectly into modern enterprise, server, and render farm infrastructure. Because of its extraordinarily small physical footprint, low thermal output, and incredible computational density, IT administrators and production studios across the United States are increasingly deploying banks of Mac Mini computers in server rack configurations. Whether used for automated continuous integration software testing, remote cloud rendering for visual effects studios, or high-density audio processing setups for live theatrical events, the Mac Mini M5 offers an unbeatable ratio of performance per rack unit. Its internal power supply, is designed to operate with maximum electrical efficiency, translating into reduced operational costs and lower heat output for enterprise data centers. Now, let us address one of the most frequently discussed topics in the tech community: audio engineering and digital sound production on the Mac Mini M5. Musicians, podcasters, sound designers, and mixing engineers require pristine signal processing, zero latency, and absolute silence in their recording spaces. A noisy cooling fan can ruin a delicate vocal recording or corrupt an intricate acoustic guitar session. The ultra-quiet operational profile of the Mac Mini M5 makes it the ultimate center of any recording studio. Furthermore, the upgraded internal audio digital-to-analog converters support high-impedance headphones directly from the built-in jack, allowing audio professionals to monitor complex multi-track sessions with studio-grade fidelity without needing an external headphone amplifier. Coupled with the M5 chip's ability to run hundreds of real-time audio plugins, virtual synthesizers, and spatial audio processing algorithms concurrently, the Mac Mini M5 provides an unshakable foundation for modern music creation. When we consider the environmental footprint of modern electronics, the Mac Mini M5 represents a major milestone in sustainable tech design. Consumer technology must evolve to minimize electronic waste and carbon footprints, and Apple's engineering team has made green innovation a core focus of the M5 development cycle. The Mac Mini M5 utilizes 100% recycled aluminum in its outer housing, recycled rare earth elements in its internal magnet assemblies, and recycled gold in the plating of its main logic board circuit traces. Furthermore, because the M5 chip operates with high energy efficiency, the cumulative electricity savings over the operational lifespan of the device are significant. By consuming significantly less power during daily web browsing, document creation, and video playback compared to traditional desktop computers, the Mac Mini M5 reduces energy costs while delivering top-tier performance. Let us explore the creative workflows that the Mac Mini M5 unlocks for independent content creators, streamers, and video producers. In today's digital media landscape, creators are expected to shoot, edit, color grade, design graphics, mix audio, and stream content across multiple platforms simultaneously. A standard computer often stutters under the weight of such complex multi-application workflows, forcing creators to spend extra time waiting for renders or troubleshooting system crashes. The Mac Mini M5 removes these operational bottlenecks completely. With hardware-accelerated media encoders working in tandem with the M5's GPU, creators can record high bitrate screen captures, broadcast a live stream via software like OBS, and render a final video edit in the background simultaneously without experiencing dropped frames or system lag. This effortless multitasking capability allows solo creators to operate with the speed and efficiency of a full-scale production media studio. Another crucial area where the Mac Mini M5 shines is security and data integrity. In an era where digital privacy and cybersecurity threats are top of mind for businesses and individuals alike, the Mac Mini M5 integrates multi-layered hardware security directly onto the silicon die. The built-in secure Enclave coprocessor acts as an isolated vault for sensitive encryption keys, user passwords, biometric authentication data, and cryptographic operations. File Vault disk encryption runs seamlessly in the background with zero performance penalty, ensuring that your confidential client files, proprietary codebases, and personal documents remain completely protected against unauthorized access. Hardware-verified secure boot ensures that only trusted system software can execute when the machine turns on, protecting the Mac Mini M5 against low-level malware, rootkits, and unauthorized firmware tampering.